Building and using the keywords, the proper one, is crucial for search engine optimization because they serve as a foundation for how search engines understand, categorize, and rank web content. SEO is the cornerstone of today's content creators because if you are using proper and relevant keywords, then you primarily improve your visibility and rankings. Content creation is one thing, content marketing and SEO is another thing. Keywords help search engines match a user's search query with relevant content on the web. By using the right keywords, your content can appear high in search engine result pages or SERP, improving visibility and driving more organic traffic to your site. Keywords enable you to target your content to the specific audience searching for information related to your product, services, or industry. By understanding and using the keywords your target audience uses, you can create content that meets the needs, interest, and search intent. And that is very important. In this video, I am going to introduce you to this AI enabled SEO tool called as Build a Keyword. The story behind this tool is quite interesting. There is a famous content creator and social media influencer, Danny Postma, and he is one of the most prolific indie hackers of the internet. He started and sold multiple successful internet businesses. At this moment, he is focusing on running and growing Headshot Pro. The best of it all is that he keeps sharing his learning at Wisdom. Build the Keyword is inspired by Danny Postma's famous tweet, How to Build a Successful Business Within Zero Followers. Danny explains how there are untapped business ideas that will bring you organic traffic on autopilot. To find those businesses ideas, you need to find a keyword that has high volume, low competition, and enough related keywords. This tool helps you to check if your keyword has that potential. So let's check it out. So my main keyword is, I'll just say maybe artificial intelligence. Let's keep it broad. I'm clicking on start. Let me sign up with my Google account. After signing up, I have logged in, and now as you can see that it is searching on the basis of my AI, and now it is telling me that in the next step that check if the monthly search volume is greater than 500, which is true. Check if keyword difficulty is less than 20, which is false. Check if there are 100 plus child keywords. No, don't build this. It says no, this is not a good one. So let me check. So it says that if I'm just using AI, it will be hard to get enough traffic and rank it in the top 10 on Google. Or you can, let's try out another one, or we can, then we will try out their ideas too. So let me maybe search for something else, like I would say Mistral. Or do I need to, okay, I need to try again from here. Okay, it takes me here. Okay, or maybe I'll just say build keyword with AI. Maybe the same thing, which same topic on which I'm creating this video. And if it gives me good, then that will I will make the title of this video. So there are no 100 plus child keywords. Not okay, so even the search data is not available. Okay, maybe what about AI SEO? Okay, you have to try again. Sorry. Okay, it is asking for money. That's it. So AI SEO. That's it. So it is asking me that I have to pay $9 to get it right. But that is fine. We have got the idea that you just put it here and then you can um, get the relevant keywords, and we have seen the process, which seems quite interesting. But I think we can get the same thing from a lot of other stuff too. Now if you want to get product ideas, you have to pay them $25. So this looks a bit interesting. And it's, if I read on the left what it is saying, let me make it a bit bigger, sorry, that all of these ideas, keyword with less than 20, decent volume, 100 plus key child word, so that you will also rank on other lot of other keywords. So, and then there is some marketing. I'm not sure about this, because if they are so good, why are not they using it by themselves? So, you know, I don't recommend or de-recommend this. Just do your own due diligence on that one. But anyway, interesting concept, I should say, that seems useful. But I believe if you do a little bit of coding and ask any of the large language models around the SEO keywords, it should be able to give it to you. But in my humble opinion, one should more focus on the content and relevancy instead of these keywords. So I'm not saying don't focus on them, do focus on them, but it should be like 10% of your effort. 90% of the effort should be around the content you are producing. That's it. Those are my 2 cents. Let me know your thought. What do you think about this tool? And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. I will also drop the link to this in video's description. And if you are already subscribed, then please share the video and the channel among your network. Thanks for helping.